You know, it's a very strange thing in life, and I know that I don't have all the answers, and I'm not going to claim to. I can only speak from my own personal experiences in life. But what works, works. This is Santos Jr. here, aka Soldier of Self Mastery, on a Wednesday, a super fantastic, terrific, over the top Wednesday evening. By the way, I hope that you took on my challenge from my earlier video. I want to share just a little bit, something here, that an observation that I have made, and I continue to make, and I continue to reinforce and study and investigate. You can't change your life by just simply working on a behavior. I've tried many times to just simply work on myself by trying to change the behavior, and it doesn't work. It really doesn't work. I've come to the revelation and the resolute that what's going on inside my head is the key. You see, you and I, we live by principles and we live by laws. These laws are invisible laws. Those laws live within our mind, within the subconscious, and they've been inserted and put there. You ever notice that you do things? Sometimes you, maybe you do catch yourself and you're aware, man, why did I do that? Oh man, I hate that behavior. But yet you find yourself doing that thing over and over and over. Of course, until you change it. And again, it's not changed physically or outwardly. We have to look inwardly. We have to look at the mind and how the mind is operating. There's something called conscious awareness. The truth is that unless you learn to get into your subconscious and replace the negative existing principles or laws that are operating your behavior, I believe it's almost impossible to change your behavior. You have to change at the source. It's kind of like today, a lot of prescription pills are being handed out, and yet you ever notice that the prescription pills really don't really work? In fact, some people have been on prescription pills for years. All it's doing is masking the source. It's masking it. It's covering up like a Band-Aid. If the pill worked, why doesn't it cure the issue? There's a little bit more to that than I can share here in this video. The truth is, my friend, if you truly want to change your behavior, you are going to have to get into your subconscious. And one key word that you might want to, well, not might, is repetition. You see, the reason why you are who you are today has been through repetition. So just like the person that I've become today, it's happened through repetition. So if we want to change, if we want to replace those negative existing laws or principles that are operating your behavior, we have to go to the source. And we have to begin instituting new positive laws, principles. How do you do that? Well, we're all different. Some of the life hacks that I've used on myself may not work on you. There may be one or two that might help. But of course, we're all very similar, so what does work, works. You just have to work it. You have to be relentless in your pursuit. I've said this many times, you have to be willing to draw a line in the cement. You have to be serious about it. You have to be dedicated. And the key is repetition. Because I believe that once those principles within your mind begin to become replaced with new principles, your behavior is going to change. I truly hope this helps you. I encourage you to watch it again if you didn't understand the first time. Share this video on another social media site. Help me help others. Support this mission financially by giving. If indeed you feel a good vibe from these videos and this ministry, this labor of love. And remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top in spite of and because of my friend. Remember to give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I will see you at the top on my very next one. Peace through strength, my friend. And what else can I say? If you need help, if you need support, if you need coaching, check out my personal website, my office there in the description box area, because I truly believe that I can help you just as I've been helping myself radically. Salute.